Meaning of detect.
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 Detect. Detect refers to the process of identifying the presence or existence of something through observation or testing. It can be used in a range of contexts, from detecting a disease in the body to detecting fraudulent activity in financial transactions. The outcome of a detection process is the identification or recognition of the target object, substance or activity. This could result in a positive or negative outcome depending on the nature of the detection. For example, positive results in medical diagnosis could mean treatment is initiated, while positive results in security screening may lead to further investigation.